Hello guys, welcome to the video tutorial about Microsoft PowerPoint. All of you have heard about Microsoft PowerPoint and a lot of people they have used as well for the presentation. So what is Microsoft PowerPoint? It's basically a presentation program and it was created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin in 1987. And initially it was created by another company called Forethought Inc. Later Microsoft acquired this program for about $14 million, and it is one of the biggest acquisition in the history of Microsoft as well. So I'm not going to waste much time on the history. Let's start the tutorial. Let us open the Microsoft PowerPoint from the start. Type PowerPoint in the search bar, so you'll be able to open the program. When you open the program, you can see this window. There is number of inbuilt slides. It's given already. If you want to choose one of them, you can use, and if you want to make from the scratch, you need to choose the blank slide. And there is a lot of options they are giving for us to make it easy for us, like presentation slides, which is already have some formats, and themes, number of themes they are giving. This is inbuilt. We can just use this one and start our work if we need some slides in advance. And there is slides for education, and you can see the how many slides, how many types of slides they have given, how many types of themes they have given, so you can choose one of them. And similarly there is charts types of PowerPoint slides. So this is not that much important, and that we are not going to discuss it anyway. We will discuss it later in case if required, if somebody need to study in advance. And this open is used for opening the presentation that's already saved, or in case you have a PowerPoint presentation model and you want to open it and you want to edit that presentation. In this case you need to use the open. So in my desktop there is 3 presentation. You have to choose the location where the presentation is located, so we can open it directly from the open button. And let's go to the home and open a blank presentation. When you open the blank presentation on the right side, if it's Office 2016 and 2019, they will show a design idea, same like what we have seen in the themes, presentation models, all this stuff. So today we are discussing mainly about the file tab, and in coming videos we will be discussing about home, insert, design, transition, animation, and all the tabs that are given in the presentation, and we can see what are the functions of this specific tabs. We'll discuss all of the tabs in detail. So today, as far as this tutorial video is concerned, we will be discussing about the file tab. Most of the functions that we have already discussed, and you can see that I'm typing something on the presentation just for us to make sure it's there is some data inside and to see that. So save option is for saving the presentation for future use, and for editing in future, or for presenting the slides. In all the cases we need to save the slides. So if you want to if you want to send it to somebody, and if you want to open it in another computer, in all the cases the presentations that you have done, that you have worked on, should be saved for us to present or for us to open it for a later time to edit. So when you save this one, we are getting we can name the file in the file name option, and you can see the name is changed on the top of the presentation, PowerPoint tutorial day 1 beginning. And in the save as option, you can save as a new file without affecting the existing presentation. For example, you made some changes to a file and you want to save it as a new file without affecting the previous file. So in this case you can use the save as option, and also you can use it for saving it as a in different format without affecting the presentation slide. In print option, you can print it out. If you have a printer configured in your home or office, you can print it out the slides. And if you want to save it as a cloud, you can go with the OneDrive, and you just need to sign in with the OneDrive account, most probably an Outlook account with the Outlook account, most probably. And here you have export option to create the PDF from this the presentation, create a video, a package presentation for CD, create handouts, and change file types to a different format. This one, in case if we need, we can discuss it later. This is a different export options. If you have a presentation and you want to make it a PDF, then you can do it. Similarly, you can make a video from the PowerPoint. We'll discuss this one in detail later on. So let's save it as a normal PowerPoint presentation, in case if you want to open it for future use. Okay, and let us see. If you want to protect the presentation, you have to go to info and choose the protect presentation and choose the password. You will have to enter the password twice. So you can see the presentation is protected with the password, so nobody can open without the password. You just need to close it after saving to see that the password is working. Okay, and on the right side you can see the properties of the file, how much size, how many slides are there, hidden slides are there or not, who is the author, who is the last modified person. All the things you can see from the properties. All these informations are available in the info. The important part is keeping a password. So I have kept the password and I'm trying to open the presentation slide. It's asking for the password, so you can give a password which is configured. Now it's open now because I gave the correct password. And to remove the password, just erase the password and press OK. So after saving, when you open for the next time, it will not prompt for the password, and this presentation is not protected as well. This will be useful for other Microsoft Office program as well. The procedure is same in all the programs like Excel, Word, or something else. Let's save it as a new file to see how to open the presentation from a different location. So right now I opened from the desktop. Now I need to go to downloads because I saved as the new file in PowerPoint. So the new file was opened from the download. So in this way you can save it to any new location or a new format. We will check the formats in a later video. If you want to make it a JPG picture or PNG image file, PDF. So this stuff we will be discussing later. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. In coming videos we will be discussing Home tab. Home tab, you have a number of options there, like formatting the text and drawing the shapes, filling the shapes. So thank you for watching once again. Bye bye.